Okay, hi. Hello.
It's bothering me because she sounds like she's desperate to communicate, and we don't know what she's saying.
So, the female that's talking, can you please tell me your name? Now, I want to hear I just want to hear the female. I want to hear the female tell me what her name is. Huh?
Annette.
Annette. Is that your name, Annette?
Yes.
Yes. Annette, which tree were you hung from, if you were hung? Give me a direction, left, right, or straight ahead. Up. She keeps saying up. I wonder if there was a tree.
It's not here anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, or a branch that was hanging over the bridge.
Up.
Up.
See, I'm starting to
Wait a
feel
minute,
it.
She hung from
Are
the
you
bridge?
up above us?
I'm getting emotional.
Are you above us, watching us?
I can feel her.
Yes, she's above us, watching. So, if there was a
she was hung from the bridge.
was there a tree here that you were hung from that we are staying below?
Were you hung from the bridge?
No.
Annette, I need you to try as hard as you can. I understand this is difficult for you. Now, were you hung from a tree that used to hang above the bridge? I'm gonna reach out here. Hey, Annette.
Up.
Hey, Annette. I know you can hear me. There is a spirit attached to me named Roger. Hey, Roger. Help Annette out, please. Roger was a priest and when he was alive, so he can help you out.
Fire?
Fire?
I thought it said spider.
Help? Hey, Roger, can you tell me what Annette needs help with? That's not Roger. Up. Earth.
Rape.
Rape? Oh my God!
It's the same thing that I heard before.
It's the last thing that she saw was up.
The tree. That's the
She-
same
she
thing that
saw
I got
the-
on the obelisk. I got rape and tree.
Oh my God! Hey, Annette, I know this is difficult for you. I need you to describe the best. I need you to answer me the best you can. So you were raped and you were killed, and the last thing you saw was staring up at the sky. Oh my God! Oh wow! Oh my God!
How can we help you now?
We just need Annette to answer us, please. Either Annette or Roger. Roger, if she's having difficulty, just tell us how we can help her.
Rape again. Drunk or drunk?
Do you know the name of who raped you? Which? Did you get that?
But that would have been possible down this far south.
I don't know about impossible.
I don't think they had witch hunts in Texas, did they?
If you know
Yes.
the name, say the name.
Hank?
That sounds like hay to me.
Pup. What's... She whispered.
She whispered something with D.
Was it the moon? Was it at night and this is what you saw? It was the moon? The exact same moon that we're looking at?
No.
Armed?
There.
They're armed?
Up.
Oh, sorry, that's feedback. Paul? Did you say Paul?
Yeah.
We get too close to the mic, you get feedback.
Try again.
Why is it emphasizing? Is it
And if you notice when I had the box and I held it up, we got better connection than if I was holding down.
Do you want me to get the box out that we had earlier and point it up?
No, this up.
Please?
Please?
I didn't hear it too. Hold
Okay.
the speaker up. See what happens.
Do you want me to use this device or the one or no?
No.
Okay. I'll get the other device out.
We're getting better communication with that one than we were with the other one.
What was that?
Is this the device in it? You want me to use this device in my hand? This.
Safe. Oh, he said wait. The male said wait.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Sounds like it said sit.
Hi. We're still here.
Birth.
Was she pregnant? Were you pregnant when you were raped?
Well, she might have gotten pregnant from being raped.
Yes.
She's raping. You were
No, I
raped
said
and
yes
killed.
after I said she might have gotten pregnant after being raped. And then,
Just to be clear in that, did you get pregnant after being raped?
No.
You had a girl? One?
Two.
Two?
Twins?
He echoed.
He did.
Out.
Boy.
You had a boy and a girl? Twins? Father? What the hell was that? take a lot of faith to endure something like that. Oh? Did you name your daughter Hope? No. Oh, she had a lot of hope. Cool. A little bit low too.
Hi.
Annette?
Hi.
Hi.
I think we got what you're talking about. Is this better? Or do you need the white noise?
No.
Yeah, I never. No.
Here.
Here?
Hey.
Did she say safe?
Face.
King.
Well, hold on. I think these are coordinate. I think these are talking at the same time. It's a little bit of a delay, but you'll hear this one fire off and this will fire off.
Annette, what are you trying to tell us?
Lust.
Lust?
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 Yep.
Right.
Oh, the man who lusted after her, raped her.
What is his name? I can't understand.
What is his name?
Is someone trying to keep you from communicating? I keep hearing Frank?
I keep thinking she's saying the F word, but
That's what I thought. I thought she said fuck.
Oh.
Yeah, that's weird. She keeps on saying up. And what makes it weird is that none of us have said up until she started.
yeah, we all keep quiet, and we don't even say anything that sounds remotely like up, and then she says up.
So, yeah. And the fact that it comes back as a female and it doesn't sound anything like Holly.
She's a fish. She said fish, and I just heard a fish flop.
Hey, Annette. Who are you standing closest to? Are you standing next to me? Here. there a deer around?
Hair.
Hair?
Foot. False.
False?
Different.
Friend? He said friend.
Well, this is weird.
What?
Well, it was like really black over there for a few seconds. I couldn't see anything.
Fa again.
Fawn? Are you saying fawn? Was that fog misty thing I caught on camera? Was that you?
You.
That was you I caught? I turned the camera over here like so, and I noticed I couldn't see the benches back there.
What?
What?
No.
Not.
Not?
Don't.
Talk. And you can you can walk up to us and talk to us, if you want to. You have my permission to walk up and talk to me.
You can walk up and touch this device with a green light.
Don't be afraid. I mean, we can't harm you. It's impossible for us to harm you.
Look.
Look. Look. Look. I'm looking. What the? Are you next to the benches?
Cup. I keep hearing cup.
Cup.
You're next to a cup?
Cup.
My
Can.
can.
Are you over there?
She might think it's a cup.
Are you over here?
Wave it next to the can.
Look around. I was paying attention when I was putting the camera. Hey, Annette. I'm holding a camera in my hand. Can you tell me where to point it so I can see you? This is a special type of camera. It can see. It's made to see you. Something on the bridge over there. There's a light. I'm seeing it down there. Here. See it?
Yeah, down there on the left.
It's not visible either. Stop.
Yep.
I'm stop. I'm not gonna move. Where should I go? You want us to go home? Did we scare you?
And that, do you want us to go home? Home.
Did we make you angry, offend you?
You know what I think she's saying?
Or do you want to go home?
She wants to go home.
Oh. So you want to cross over? Is something keeping you here? Or-
Earth.
Earth. Earth? You're buried? Were you buried near here?
What's keeping her here? Earth.
Earth. Could she be buried and that's what's keeping her here because she wasn't properly buried in the earth? I mean, that's just a speculation,
I mean,
but
she's saying she's stuck here.
stuck here. She's stuck on Earth.
I mean, maybe she does mean in the earth, in the ground, somewhere. I don't know.
That could be, yeah. It could be meaning many things.
Up. No.
Not there? No? Okay. Where should I point the camera?
We're
Spruce? Wait a minute. There's an evergreen over here, which evergreens do kind of look like a spruce. And they're like pointy and in a loose interpretation. Are you buried in the earth next to that tree in the path? The spruce.
You want to go up to be with God, Jehovah.
She stopped talking.
Do you need last rites? Is that what you need? Is you love?
Live.
Live? Off? Oh, like off the bridge? Okay.
Out.
Out?
No.
High.
High?
Wait.
What?
Wood. High, wood, high. Tree? Like a really tall tree. Like this big tall tree next to the benches? Purse? Breath. Breath. Were you choked to death when you were raped? I could have just been hearing it wrong. I heard breath like.
Well, it sounded like she kind of breathed out the word. Whatever it was.
Oh, I see. That's like a bottle. I think.
Cool.
Cool.
What do you want Holly for?
Did I speak to you before?
Nope.
No.
Do you want us to go?
Please. In.
Do you want us to leave because you're tired?
I just called her twice.
Twice? Oh. Okay, it's good to have that mic. I have
She
that.
said, please.
I'm here, Annette.
It's a good thing I have that recorder going.
For some reason it wants to communicate with her. Specifically, it doesn't really answer us. Because we're men.
Because I keep on pointing down towards that towards the bridge, and there's. It looks like there's something there. I thought it might have been like a girder or something. Whenever I go there, there's nothing there.
Ask her why she wants to go up.
Looks like this might be light.
I'm trying to understand. What do you want me to know?
Hey Annette, I have a question for you.
Air?
Were you the one that was telling me to wait last time whenever I was here with Micah and the group? And then you said goodbye? Was that you? Have you been trying to communicate with me this whole time? Every time I've been out here?
Annette, did you speak to Holly the last time she was here? Talk to Holly, Annette. We'll leave you alone.
Light.
Light?
No, there's something speckled. Light? Oh, that's the light on my camera? This light? I'm gonna turn it off. See, that's my camera. If you see the light turn off. Now I'm turning it back on. Cool, yeah.
Annette, I'm trying to understand. What do you want me to know? Choose? Up? Strength?
Here.
Here. Up. She keeps saying look up.
Oh, I see. And dude, my camera's dead.
Was that you? Did you drain the battery of the camera?
This thing has a 3 or 4 hour charge on it.
Yes, the guy said yes.
This thing's only been on for like what, maybe an hour?
About 3 hours.
Yeah, because I have an hour and 26 minutes left. So yeah, it's been on for an hour and 30. So
Take.
Tape?
Love.
Love.
it's weird because I pointed it up towards the moon.
Sounds like a male voice is saying hello.
Why up? I mean, that's down. Nick.
Yeah. Hi.
Guard. Why? Oh, she wants you to guard she wants you to guard Holly with your life.
Why, Annette?
Was it because there was no one to guard you?
Ten.
Can't understand.
Dude, I heard that. Did you hear that?
She said cold.
Yeah.
And then said grave. She said cold. She said grave.
Where's the grave? Where is your grave?
Hold on, we're asking two different things.
Earth.
This.
Holly. No, not Holly. Annette. I have a question.
What?
Are you stuck because you are buried in a grave that hasn't been found? You're buried in a grave after you're killed. Wait a minute. Is the name on that plaque John? Over there on the plaque for the could she be buried? Are you buried underneath those benches? This is a stretch, but yeah. And my camera's off again.
Annette.
This is a brand new battery too. I bought it like 3 months ago.